This video is sponsored by Placeit.net. Smart templates make easy design. Create mockups, logos, videos, and designs in seconds. How to promote your line on Instagram, okay? You're gonna need to take some notes on this one. Let's go. This goes without saying, but just in case you don't know, you need to create an account. Now, once you have an account created, you're going to want to switch that account from a personal account to a business account. All right, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so this is one of my Instagram accounts. You want to go up there to press those three buttons, then go down to settings. Then you want to go and you're going to see up a little bit, it says account. All right, you're going to click on that. And then you're going to go down where it says switch to professional account. It used to say business account. Now it says professional account. And you want to figure out, what do you want to be? All right. Do you want to be a creator or do you want to have a business account? Okay. This is for a t-shirt brand. So I suggest business, but creators for like, influencers and stuff like that. And then after you do that, you click it and bang, you get a business account. So you just click continue and now you can choose right here and you can be a clothing brand. All right. It's all set up for you. And you can put in your information or telephone number. That is all your choice. All right. And that's pretty much setting up an account. So let's get back to the video. Now, the next thing that they're going to want you to do is connect a Facebook fan page to your Instagram. And let me talk about that. Okay, guys, in order to do this, you're going to need a Facebook business page. Okay, look, Facebook owns Instagram, so they kind of want to leverage them together. They want you to use it. Hey, look, man, they own it, so just follow the protocol. So go ahead, let me show you how to get the Facebook page popping. So you just want to go up to the top and press create and then go down to page. Then you want to, business or brand, you want to name it. Okay, name it, and then you want to choose a category. You just throw in a couple of words and they'll suggest things, and I believe that I choose e-commerce website. Yeah, so let's go. And it's really simple. Okay, you want to upload your avatar. I upload my avatar. And then the next thing you want to do is upload your cover photo, which I did, but as you can gonna see, when we actually go and create the page, it doesn't go. So I have to go up here and I have to do it again. So I go right here and I upload my banner or cover photo, and there it is. And guys, you save it, and just like that, you have a page. Okay, it's just that simple. All right, after that, you want to link your page to IG. Let me show you. Okay, guys, we go back to the phone and we click on those three buttons, and then we go down to settings. Okay, and then we click on business. All right, and then we go down to connect a Facebook page, connect an existing page since we already made it, and we click right there, and that's it. All right, guys, now that you have all that done, you're going to concentrate on your IG page, okay? There's two things you want to do. One of the first things that you're going to want to do is go in and create a profile. Now, after you get your profile done, you want to have your link. See, on Instagram, on everybody's page, there's only one link. Right on your bio page, you can only have one link, all right? Now, this is the deal. I'm going to give you some insider information. I'm going to show you how you can have multiple links on your Facebook page. All right, check it out. All right, you can see right here, you have one spot to have a link. Now, it's really cool to have it go to your shop, but if you have more than one link, you're not limited to just putting one thing. You could have one for your shop, one for email addresses, and you want to use this service, Linktree. All right, so we're going to go in, sign up for an account, and you want to sign up, just put in your Instagram information, and everything is going to be already there. You want to add an email address, and you're going to go down and choose a couple of these little categories right here. I chose fashion and beauty and brand.
Want to prove you're a robot, and then agree to terms and save. And you can do this for free. It doesn't cost you anything. You just want to save up and then verify in your email address, and you're all set. Now you can go in and you can really simply add what you want to add. All right, I'm going to add, the T-shirt Fresh website, but if you wanted to add other websites, giveaways, anything, this is where you do it, and you're not limited. All right, you can go up and you can customize. You can go down here and you can change the color of what the page is going to look like. You can have that dark theme. You can have pink, green, blue, but I'm going to go with that dark black theme because I like that. It kind of goes with my logo.
All right, guys, now that you have all of that set up, it's time to do something else that is really important. The most important, you want to create some content. Now, I'm going to get into that, but I'm going to strongly suggest that you create content in bulk and you create a content calendar, all right? And you do it, let's just say for the month, enough for the month, and just have them automatically post if you can. All right, let me show you how we do that.
Okay, guys, this is my T-shirt help desk Instagram. It's not a T-shirt brand, and I really don't post that often, but I want to just go through and show you the different things. There's sales, there's T-shirts, there's inspirational quotes, there's just, talking head me talking. There's a bunch of different things that you can do. Okay, guys, this is a very valuable resource, later.com. And this is something where you can automate your posts, not just on Instagram, but Pinterest, Twitter. I mean, it's amazing. So let's go in here and let's show you what you can do. You can plan Instagram posts for 2 weeks to 1 month in 20 minutes. So let's go up here and check it out. You can see there's like a calendar here. You can go in and put things. Okay, this is going to come at 8 o'clock in the morning. This is going to come at 11. And I do suggest at least 2 to 3 posts a day when you just get started. And guess how much this thing costs? $0. I mean, of course, you can do other plans, but you can start for free. Okay, right here on Instagram, one thing you can start right here for free. How about that?
Now it's time to create the actual content that's going to go inside of your content calendar. There's several ways you could curate content, which means you can go out and find stuff that people have already created. Remember, if you do this, always credit the person that you got the content from. And if you want to create your own content and show your T-shirts, let me show you a really fantastic service that you can use to make it look, check it out.
Okay, guys, I've talked about this service before, and it is a godsend. Placeit.net. Now, if you have your own photographs and everything, that's fine. But if you don't and you want something that looks primo, check this out. Check out these awesome templates. I mean, you don't have to do any photography. You don't have to be an expert. You can go in here, upload your artwork, and just go to town. You can make the backgrounds look a certain way. You can add your art. You can change the color of the shirt. I mean, look at how awesome these look, and think about how great they'll look on your Instagram. Now, it's not just photos. They also have videos, all right? Imagine how these would look on your Instagram, showcasing your artwork on actual models. This thing is a godsend, all right? And links for all of these services are going to be down in the description box. You can also choose what you want the people to look like in terms of ethnicity: black, white, Asian, Latino, Indian. I mean, it's crazy. But that's not all. You can click right up here to Instagram posts and look at all these fantastic things made specifically for Instagram. Look how you can promote your products right here on Instagram. And you can go over and you can choose for it to be right here for a clothing brand. I mean, it's bananas. You see this stuff, Cyber Monday. I mean, this is taking your line to the next level, but there's more. There's stories on Instagram, and they actually have already made templates to do stories on Instagram. So this right here is really going to take your Instagram to the next level and save you a lot of time, effort, and work. Placeit.net. Check it out.
All right, guys, if you really like that stuff, make sure you go down in the description box and you check out Placeit.net. All right, there's going to be a discount waiting for you of 15%. So have a good time. Go down there, click, and make it happen, Captain. Okay, guys, now that you have all of that done, you want to actually start posting up all of that dope content that you created. But you don't want to just post it. You want to be very strategic, okay? Just posting it, who's going to find it? Who's going to know you're there? So you're going to have to understand the hashtag game, okay? You have to understand the hashtag, what's the popular hashtags, how hashtags work, and I'm going to show you an awesome tool to get that popping, all right? Check this out.
All right, so you want to press that search button at the bottom and begin to put in what you're all about, okay? T-shirt, all right? So you put in T-shirt and you're going to see all of these awesome hashtags. Now, this is the deal. For when you're first starting out, there's going to be stuff that have millions. No, you don't want to do the millions, things that have millions of views or searches. You want to put in something that's between 2,000 and 500,000. All right, and you want to begin to choose these that are most relevant, because this is what people are looking for. All right, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to put in T-shirt and begin to put in letters like T-shirt E, and then see what comes up. You can start with the alphabet: T-shirt A, T-shirt B, T-shirt C, and see what comes up. All right, because you never know what people are searching. All right, and you want to search how many searches, and this is how you begin to add your hashtags. If you see something, take it, copy it, or write it down in your notepad on your phone. Now, the next thing I did is I went to somebody that's already selling T-shirts, like Karma Loop. I went to their first tee, and I said, hey, what are these guys doing? And I went and I looked, and I saw in their first comment they had all of these hashtags. So what did I do? I copied them. I took those, I copied them, and I put them on a notepad, and I put them in one of my notes to use later. All right. So all those hashtags are in here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put up something. All right. So this is Soul Train T, and I'm simply going to take those hashtags that I found and bang, copy and paste. All right. And I'm going to copy and paste in my description, and then in the first line of comments, I'm going to put the other hashtags. Okay. You can use 30 hashtag per upload. All right, and that's what I do. All right, that's my hashtag game.
So now we're going to get into the last thing that I want to tell you about, and that is influencer marketing. All right, now what that is pretty much you find a person who is popular, semi-popular, or even mega popular, all right, who represents your core target audience, meaning they're a person that appeals to the type of people who you want to wear your t-shirts, okay? You find one of these people who are popular, and you pay them to wear your stuff. Now, a lot of the times these people already have prices that they have to wear stuff, to promote stuff, and sometimes there are people who are up and coming who you can just find and say, hey, would you like to wear my stuff? And they may agree to it. Some of them may even do it for free in the beginning, of course. But you wanna find an influence, okay? There's tons of them. You're gonna have to just look for them, find a person who represents your core target audience and say, hey, you wanna wear my stuff? I'm gonna break you off some bread, cash app them, and make it happen, Captain. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope you learned something. Try some of these techniques. Let me know how it goes down in the description box. And of course, have fun. All right. Cheers to your t-shirts. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. All right. I'm going to put some butter on these shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. And remember, do something good for somebody. If you don't have somebody to do something good for, do something good for yourself. Remember, also, great minds talk about ideas, average minds talk about events, and small minds talk about people. I am out. Peace.
Not really that good, guys. And the only real fight against a bad economy is to create an economy of your own. So do me a favor, guys. If you keep watching, if you go down in the description box, okay, there's going to be a link. I want you to go there and I want you to click on it. Start a t-shirt business or dietrying.com. Click on that link and get on the list so you're going to know when this course is coming out. Trust me, you won't be sorry.
You want to create posts. You want to create inspirational.